Hello, welcome to the new myMiami interface. I'm excited to show you around the new portal. Let's get started. There are three main organization points of the new myMiami: categories, tasks, and task centers. Categories. The new myMiami is organized into large categories of links. These categories are formulated to correspond to large parts of the university, sometimes crossing over several departments or divisions. For instance, there are categories for academics and finances. They're not specifically tied to Miami departments, but when you drill down into them, they will contain important information relating to the overarching category. For instance, the finances category has tasks that correspond to paying your bills, financial aid, things like that. Tasks. Within each category is a grouping of these panels, which are called tasks. A task could be any functionality that you're used to seeing in the old myMiami, just organized into these boxes. So a task could be banner web or Canvas or IT help, and all you have to do is click on these boxes in order for the task to take you to that link. If we click into a task on the little information button, we can get additional information that you wouldn't normally get just by clicking on the task itself. Here we can see a description, the contact information for the office or department associated with the task, any announcements that apply specifically to this task, and reviews that other users have left. Task centers. Task centers are groupings of tasks. As you navigate through myMiami, you'll find that some categories have groups of tasks that are all related. These groups are called task centers. Some task centers that have been created so far include how to get technology help, exploring Bannerweb, getting involved at Miami, and the new student checklist. Thanks for coming along on this tour of the new myMiami. Check out the rest of our tutorial series for more information about the portal. Don't forget, if you have questions or need help, IT help is only a call or click away. Call 513-529-7900 or go to myamioh.edu/itchat for 24/7 support. Thanks for coming along on this tour of the new myMiami. Check out the rest of our tutorial series for more information about the portal. Don't forget, if you have questions or need help, IT help is only a call or click away. Call 513-529-7900 or go to myamioh.edu/itchat for 24/7 support.